Hold on.
What could it be?
What is that? What is it, Colin? Is it a spaceship?
A Spider-Man skateboard. How cool!
See,
You've been wanting a skateboard, and it has a handle too to help you go.
like a scooter.
What do you think?
It's a scooter.
What did you say to Chris and Brooke?
Look
when
at
you
the
see
look at the
them?
phone and say thanks, Chris and Brooke.
Is there another present?
No, this is the first present of
Look
the
at
day.
look at
We'll get
Daddy
some
and
more
say
presents
thanks, Chris and
later.
Brooke.
Thanks to Sarah.
Say
You wanna
thank you.
open it?
Say thank you. Look at the camera. Look at the phone. Say thank you.
Thank you. I need to open it.
Okay, let's open it. Say bye, Chris and Brooke.
Bye, Mr. Brooke.
Have a nice day.
Have a fun trip.
Have fun.
Okay, I'm gonna let Daddy help me with this.